In today's video, we're going to get a master class in Facebook ads through a $10 million per month business and one of the most genius marketing strategies that I think I've seen in the last few years in e-commerce. So make sure that you do not click off of this video because it could cost you millions of dollars long term. Let's get right into it. What I'm talking about is the company Ridge. If you've never heard of these guys, they are a wallet company. So very simple stuff. However, they're one of the best slim wallet companies out there. I believe they're the originator of this product, and they're driving over $10 million of monthly revenue through their store. Unbelievable growth. But that's not all. It's not just an incredibly powerful product that they created. It's also a genius approach what they're doing with their marketing. If you see this right here, this little tiny blurb here that says Forex entries, this gives us a glimpse of the thing that they're doing right now that's driving so much traffic and clout. And it's this sweepstakes. So this is literally their homepage, ridge.com. And as you see, you can enter the sweepstakes here to win a Bronco, which is a $75,000 car. So how do you enter to win? Well, basically you just have to buy any of these things. And doing that gives you entries into this giveaway. Genius marketing, right? And if we take a look at their Facebook ads, they're not running a ridiculous amount of ads. 49 different results is not as crazy as you may think. There's other companies, which I'm going to do some videos on shortly, that are doing like 10,000 different ads. Insane, right? But they're only doing 49. They're just very intentional with the ads that they are running. And as you see, they're talking a lot about this sweepstakes and actually running traffic to it. As you see, win a fully loaded Hennessy Ford Bronco or $75,000 cash. So let's take a look at this video here. 4 reasons you need this smart wallet. 1, you can win a Bronco Velociraptor. It's free to enter. Plus bonus entries for every dollar spent. Such a genius ad. I mean, what a great ad, right? Because they're incentivizing people to buy this product and adding more benefits to it. It's actually so clever. If your product doesn't have benefits to it, clear problem-solving benefits, then maybe this is something that you could approach. Adding the benefit of winning something big, like something massive. This is like a Mr. Beast kind of approach. And, clearly they're paving the way for this sort of strategy. I've never seen it before done at this level for a brand like this. I've seen sweepstakes on Meta ads before, but never for this kind of brand that's like kind of a titan in the industry. I mean, they're basically like $1 billion brand if you take a look at their revenue and estimate, how profitable they are from all this. So super cool stuff. I love to see it. And as you see, they're seeing a 28,000% increase in sales of this Hennessy Performance package, which is $250. So this month, in the last 30 days rather, they've driven over $500,000 in sales through just that. And, you can see this continuously growing. They've had some 500K days. Just insane, right? 500K a day through selling wallets. What an inspiring brand. And this is what you can build if you really focus in on your product and try to become the best at something. It's obviously not easy to do, and it's probably not recommended if you're just getting started in your business, at least in my opinion, because it's going to be expensive. But once you build your skills, your capital, running up a brand like this would be incredible. I mean, I'm so inspired by things like this, especially because everything is actually simply done. It's all very minimal in my opinion. And, it's just cool that they're continuously innovating, not only when it comes to products, but also when it comes to marketing approaches. Nobody's doing that. Like, I don't see any big brands doing this kind of stuff. And they're adding this sweepstakes banner to every single page. It all looks super simple, right? It's very easy to shop. It's a simple theme. It's nothing too fancy. And they're driving $10 million a month through this. But yeah, as you see, every $1 spent is 1 entry. Very easy. So if we click here to earn more, all you got to do to get a free entry is sign up to email and SMS and then spend money. That's it. That's all you got to do. So pretty easy setup, right? And pretty win-win situation for them. Sure, they're giving away $75,000, but clearly they've already driven over $500,000 of revenue through this new product. So totally worth it. I'm sure they've probably spent like 100K on ads through this, probably more maybe. Either way, it's already profitable and it's already driving huge growth for the brand. So I think this is absolutely genius. I think if you didn't take notes on this, or if you're not writing mental notes on this like me, then you're doing yourself a disservice and you're not committed to being the best, which is all good, but I'm definitely trying to be the best in the e-com game, or at least reach the top level at some point with companies like Ridge, for example. So I love learning about this stuff. Love that you guys are following along. Make sure you check out some of the links in the description. We cover all sorts of e-com stuff in the Akemi Lab. It's a private community. It's very serious stuff in there, but it's also a lot of fun. So definitely check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.